Hey guys, and welcome back to Tradingfyive, the channel which provides you informative videos, informative contents on stock market as well as technical analysis. So our today's video is on stop loss, wherein we will learn how do you protect your capital from heavy losses using stop loss, or how do you cover your losses using stop loss like the other pro traders do. And also we shall learn about the advantages of stop loss and also the disadvantages of using stop loss through this video. So make sure you watch till the end. So let us start with what is stop loss. So stop loss is a selling or buying order which is given to the broker for exiting the trade in case when you start making losses. So if you look at this word stop loss, it means that to stop the loss. So in case when the trade goes against you, the analysis goes wrong and you start making loss, a stop loss is used to cover your losses. Now let's understand this with a better clarity through this example. Let's say that a stock is moving sideways as you see on your screen, and after a while moving in a sideways range, it gives a breakout like this and also confirms it. So any of the trader will usually buy the stock at around here. Now from here the stock has got two conditions. First is that the stock will go according to us, that is it will move upward. Now in this condition I am alright. The trade is going according to my analysis, I am making profit. But what if the stock goes against the analysis? What if the stock starts to move downward? I will start making loss because the trading price has gone below my buying level. And what if the stock shows heavy decline? In this condition, I will be making huge losses. And if it continues its downward rally, it can even bring my capital down. So in such condition, a stop loss comes into the picture. Now you see I have bought this stock and just at its previous support, just 2-3 points below the previous support, I place a stop loss. That is when the price crosses below it, my stock will be sold, I will be exited from the trade. Like over here, our analysis goes wrong, the stock starts to show a decline movements, and once the stock hits the stop loss and crosses below it, I would have exited my trade. Now I don't care wherever the price goes because I am exited from the trade, I have made my small loss, but at the same time protected my capital from huge loss. So you see, that is how a stop loss functions. And I hope you at least got a rough idea about the stop loss. If not, I request you to rewind some part of the video and watch it again. Now let us look at some stats. Now let's say that I made 10 trades, and as you see, among those 10 trades, 4 trades happens to be profit and in 6 trade I made loss. Now any of the beginner who is not familiar with stop loss will say that, man, your 6 trades are going in loss and your portfolio might be in complete red. Well, that's not the case if I am using a stop loss. Let me tell you that it doesn't matter how many times you made a trade profitable or how many times you incurred loss. More important is when you made profit, how much profit you made, or when you made loss, how much loss did you suffer. And although my 6 trades are in loss, I can minimize the loss by using the stop loss and my profits are still growing. So eventually my portfolio turns out to be green even though I am making 6 trades in loss. Isn't that amazing? So that's the magic of stop loss. That's how many pro traders do it. And by using stop loss, my overall profit is always greater than my loss. So if I talk about the advantages of stop loss, first is like it protects my capital from huge losses. Also it covers my losses, helps in exiting the wrong trade at the right time. And also stop loss helps in reducing the fear factor in your mindset about trading. These are the overall advantages of stop loss, which you may see trading with stop loss. But one thing that you don't see is disadvantage of using stop loss. Now what can be the disadvantage of stopping your loss? Till now every beginner watching this video must be like, stop loss is good, stop loss helps me exit my trade, it protects me from loss, so what are its disadvantages? Well, let us understand them through an example. Let us consider that the stock in consolidation breaks out, and after confirmation I buy the stock and place a stop loss just below the lower support. And if my analysis goes wrong, if the trade goes against me, I have no worries because I will exit the trade with a very small loss. But there is a slight twist over here. What if the stock turns back from here and by moving upward tells you that, hey buddy, how's it going down there? Yeah, I know this thing hurts because you have already exited the trade and you can't enjoy this profit now. But what if you didn't had a stop loss? You could surely cover your small loss and start making profit in this trade. So does that mean you should stop using stop loss? The answer is absolutely no. Whatever happens in this case is called as bad luck, and you can't do anything for this. But what if you didn't have a stop loss and the stock would move heavily downwards? Your portfolio may cry in red with a huge giant loss. So it is compulsory to place a stop loss while taking a trade. And if you are not doing so, you are risking your capital. And I think small losses with stop loss are always okay as compared to the big losses. Yeah, so don't make this mistake of avoiding stop loss in your trades. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible so that others can also get the knowledge of stop loss, about covering their losses, and to not miss such many contents on technical analysis as well as stock market. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. I will catch you up in the next video.